1, 2, 4, 5, 1.
We're in. We're in.
Do not waste time patting yourself
I found this guy's diary. It says he's wish his mom didn't.
Oh, look at this.
Oh,
You missed out on the little thing.
You're now on the engineering deck. Find the
Okay,
engine
what was
core
that
and
cool
reset
looking
it.
thing?
oh, it was Swine
This
Keeper.
will
Okay.
restore
Yeah.
power to the elevators.
I already have this.
I'm
Oh, yeah,
getting
this
some
game.
kind
No,
of strange readings from down there.
I fell on the floor.
keep
Let
your
me
eyes
give it to
open.
you.
Yes. I think I already have Swinekeeper in my game. I do.
Oh, here. Also, I don't know if I should keep this shotgun ammo because I don't have level 3 weapon yet.
Yeah,
I feel like next time we see a level up thing, I'll be able to use it.
Give it to me. Give it to me.
No.
Okay.
God.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, God. We just gotta run through it?
I think so.
Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Fuck.
Can I unload this wrench?
To avoid possible detention and execution, please respect the will of the many.
No, it's not.
The radiation must have blocked the protective seals on engine core access. You're going to have to
Okay.
find some way to purge
This
the
guy got
radiation
decapitated.
from the
Oh.
coolant tubes. Xerxes is blocking me out of the primary data loop. So keep your eyes open. You must find a way to purge these coolant tubes and get into the engine core. The ship must have some kind of backup system in place for just this kind of situation.
So small that you cannot see the ground.
Holy crap, this place is fumigated.
Yeah, it's real big and real smelly.
Oh, I thought that was a bad guy. I was about to kill you. Did you find the code to that? Oh, I died.
Oh!
Did you die?
Yeah, a robot walked up to me and exploded.
Oh.
You should hack that door, because I'm not good. I'm no good. I'm no good at hacking.
I don't know where the door is. I died from radiation poisoning. How is this how do we...
We don't die.
So you never... Oh, you already have Swine Keepers. We have like 10 health every time, like when we die.
It's already 80. Access denial.
Yeah. We need to go hack that door.
We gotta go hack the door. Oh. Oh. Here we go.
Okay.
It's only level 1, but I couldn't fucking figure it out. I got a drinky on my licky. It's the box room!
Now listen carefully. The xenomorphs
It's all mine because I hacked it. It's all mine because I hacked it, okay? What the hell was that?
That was a hazard suit.
Oh, okay, cool, that's fine. No, you can have it. Cool, I don't need it. It's fine. I took a... They have a bunch of anti-rad shit in there.
To control the actions of others through some form of limited telepathy. Find
so
the
there's-
research soft.
Oh.
Then kill them.
Hey, look at this guy.
Oh.
You got the capo.
Please make your selection.
I'm not gonna make any selection. I need clamp.
Thank you for choosing
Okay.
Value Rep.
Should hack it.
No.
Hack it, dude.
Maybe
Give us something cool and sexy.
Did you hear that monkey?
I heard monkey, dude.
Where's the monkey?
Where's the monkey? The monk.
He's up here. Die, bitch! Man, he really dies.
He really does.
This is where we get the security too in this fuckhole. Great.
That's great. Oh!
Hey! Very nice.
In power off a line. More like bitch.
Yo, shit!
Thank you. Oh no.
Fuck.
Can I unload a wrench? The wrenching. Huh? Answer me that.
What'd you get?
I said, why can't I unload a wrench for wrench ammo?
Oh yeah, what the hell? It's the future. Why don't we have wrench ammo?
How do
What are
we
you trying to get up there?
There's nanites up
Oh,
there.
the
so
nanites?
How do we get them? Oh, we need telekinesis.
Telekinesis, yeah.
Motherfuck.
Oh god, that's a camera up there.
Bye. Oh, anyway. Goodbye. Nice swing, idiot. Thanks for the gun, idiot.
I took the ammo though, idiot, dumbass,
I took the gun ammo that was in the gun, idiot.
You dumb bitch. So whatever, dude.
This is where I got stuck. I remember getting really confused here.
Oh, because of all the... Hey, look, there's a shotgun here for you.
Wee, haha, yeah. It's broken and empty. It's stupid and contagious to be broken famous. Will someone please save us from System Shock 2? It's the nanites, fatty.
Oh god, that shouldn't have fallen.
Thanks the ammo and
Shouldn't have fallen.
Thanks, bud. Try optimum security. Is this a machine? Is this a machine gun?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, don't want to fuck with that. Oh, there's more. And a camera.
We have 2 minutes.
Oh, right. Oh, God. Oh, wait. Never mind.
You know they don't attack, right?
Yeah. Remember not to hit him all the way. Thanks for the portable battery. Goodbye. Oh, this is a save room. Okay.
Okay, but I feel like we haven't explored that whole area yet.
I think we did. Oh, what?
Oh,
Oh, it's a cut. See?
there
Oh.
he is.
It's the ball sack.
Trust the feelings of the flesh. Our biology yearns to join with yours.
We welcome you to our nest.
Holy shit.
Why do you serve our mother?
Okay.
How can you choose cold metal over the splendor of flesh? But you fear us,
We hear your thoughts, and they rage for your brothers you believe dead.
but they are not.
They sing in our symphony of life.
Okay.
We offer another chance.
Sorry, I don't really subscribe to Mormonism. No, I'm not having dinner right now.
And put you separate from the joy of the night.
What? I couldn't hear what she said because you were making a stupid joke, idiot.
Sorry.
Bruh. Oh, I see. I know what's going on.
What is it?
At the end of System Shock 1, Shodan released some kind of like weird mutagen into the Citadel station. Ow.
Mm-hmm.
And turned everybody into mutants. And then you had to destroy the space station to stop her. But then like an escape pod with them got out. And that's what these are.
Oh.
That's why they called her...
Parasite things?
Yeah, that's why they called her their mother.
Oh, I see. Cigarettes?
Beer. I'm gonna drink all the beer.
Overworld 0 for my Pig Boy Express.
Nope. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, you're an idiot. You took the better thing, so I don't know what you're mad about. Okay,
Oh,
Overworld 0.
Is that Overwatch? You playing
It's a
Overwatch?
fucking roguelike. It's awesome.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
like a classic roguelike?
Yeah. Killing bats and goblins? Oh, I died though.
We're gay. Oh,
What kind of room is this supposed to be?
Ooh. What are these?
This
Oh.
is Xerxes. Can
Oh,
you
robot.
not feel the glory and the flesh? Do you not yearn
Oh god,
to be
fuck.
free
Oh god, fuck.
of the tyranny
Oh god, fuck.
of the
Bryce.
individual?
Oh, fuck.
My pistol's broken.
Okay, I got this. Oh, great.
God
Move. Oh, never mind.
I
You
got
got
it.
him. Oh,
What do you have on me?
40 nanites.
Oh, wait, how are you able to... Oh, were they in packs of 20?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's good. Can you repair my pistol?
Yeah. I think. You would?
Yeah. Here.
No, it's not broken enough, I think.
No, it's like broken for me.
It says pistol 1 terrible.
Yeah, try repairing it.
I can't, I can only modify it.
I think repair is what you thought was for not guns.
No, I can, it's repair for the...
Oh, wait, here, let me give you a maintenance tool. Maybe that'll do it.
Oh, yeah, maybe. I mean, it requires the skill.
Yeah, okay.
Here, I'll repair it when we get back to some kind of level up thing, because we got plenty of things.
Access card.
Oh god, robots.
Fuck me. Oh, those are the ones that blew up.
You blew them up, Dad. You did it.
But I sacrificed myself for my son's safety.
We gotta destroy them before they awaken.
Now drop and give me 50.
Oh, I died.
What? No.
I broke one of the pods and it exploded and killed me.
I don't even think we need to be in there anymore anyways, huh?
Yeah, but there's probably shit hidden on top of the crates and stuff.
Yeah, it's true. Plus there's an elevator of some sorts.
Yeah. Wait for me to get to the elevator.
Alright, I already got on it, I'm sorry.
Oh, fuck you, Dad.
Oh shit, so they blow up. They like run after you to blow up, right?
Yeah.
So they're like bombs.
They're bombos. Bombobot. And Deceptorong.
Well, since they don't have any ammo, this is gonna be a problem.
Lucky.
God damn it.
I hear him.
I need a fucking working gun.
Do you want my pistol while I use the shotgun?
Yeah. I might get maintain as well.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea for us both to have it. God, there's monkeys everywhere.
Can't believe I should have just stayed wizard.
What?
Should have stayed wizard. Well, at least I would have had a range thing.
That's
And
true.
the wrench. And the range thing that wouldn't die. Wouldn't break. I mean, maybe it wouldn't be as reliable, but still.
Well, I mean, just get Cyan. Just get psychic abilities next time. You have enough for it.
Yeah, that's true. Did you get everything in this room? Everything feels so much shorter than it actually is.
What do you mean?
Oh, like I keep jumping off things thinking the height's not that high.
Yeah. Well,
When it really isn't, but it's just like...
Oh.
It's just, I keep forgetting about that.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, god, that's... Jesus, get the fuck...
What, you get attacked by a guy?
No, robot.
Robot or
Robot.
blow up robot? Oh.
Blow up robot, yeah, blow up robot. He's made the most uncomfortable noise.
I'm so scared right now. There's monkeys everywhere.
Common.
No, it's cool.
No, I know, I'm coming at that because I want to get away from that robot. Where are you? You on like the second floor of this place?
Yeah.
You missed an audio log.
That's fine. I'm so scared.
Do you want me to come up there?
Yeah, if you want. I can hear them. They're everywhere. don't know where they are though. Where are you?
I think he's up. He might be up here.
I think he's above us, but I don't know where or how.
We have to somehow be able to go up a floor in this thing. How do we get to the 3rd floor?
I don't know. Press the button. Oh yeah.
Found him. Take that, Lion King.
Got some more module.
You want this? No, it's $4.
Wait,
You got more modules?
Hold on.
Don't throw away my pistol.
I'm not. Well, I mean, I did, but I found a different pistol thinking it would be better. It's actually the same. Nothing up there.
Well, actually, it might not be broken. Are you sure?
No, I can equip it. It's just, it's also at 1 terrible, but you can have it.
Yeah, but the other one I couldn't use.
Alright,
at
here you
all.
go.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Uh-oh. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Goodbye. Oh, hey.
What?
Like combat armor.
What? Oh,
Got
shit.
some more combat armor, yeah.
Nice. Don't you already have combat armor?
I did, but it didn't go into my inventory, so it must have, like, refueled my previous one.
Your inventory might be full.
No, it did. It, like, went in and didn't, like, go away. Like, it didn't stay there.
You
It just
you sure it didn't
I
say
think
item dropped? Because I haven't noticed half the time.
No, it
What's
said,
the defense on your armor now?
20%?
Yeah, it's the same
Plus
amount.
20?
Yeah. I don't know. Maybe.
Oh, you're right. It did drop. Do you want it?
I mean, I already have it.
Okay.
Oh.
Here, hold the phone. I got a pee-pee out of my pee-pee.
Okay. Yeah, they're exactly the same. I will destroy you. Savage. I'll destroy you, savage animal!